Is there a right way to clean your house? Today we're talking about the merits of marathon cleaning versus sprint cleaning. Well, hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Betsy. I have a wonderful husband and 2 small kids and a third one that is on the way. And I wanted to talk a little bit today about marathon cleaning versus sprint cleaning. There are differing opinions in terms of what is the best way to go about cleaning your house. A lot of people fall on the side of marathon cleaning where they say, I just like to take a day and just get after it and like clean the whole house from top to bottom.
Impressive.
And then there's people that come down more on the sprint cleaning side where they say, I really just like to do a little bit at a time, just short sprints each day. And then that way I don't have like one big cleaning day during the week. I just do these little short sprints.
The faster, the better.
Is there a right way? And obviously it's probably not going to come as a surprise to you. I think the answer is there isn't a right way. The right way to clean your house is the way that works for you. I think we, especially on social media, tend to be very dogmatic about, oh, this is the way to do things.
There's only one way, Ellie.
And really the answer for the right way to clean your house is the way that you're going to do it and be able to keep doing it. So if you're not sure which side you fall on, the marathon side of cleaning or the sprint side of cleaning, what might be a few things that would indicate that marathon cleaning would work better for you, and what might be a few things that would indicate that sprint cleaning would work well for you. If you are feeling frustrated currently with keeping up on your house, maybe some of these will kind of give you a little bit of boost to think, okay, it's not me, it's just maybe I've been trying to fit myself into a box that doesn't really work for me. So with marathon cleaning, I find it is super helpful, number one, for when you feel like things have gotten out of control in your house. If you feel like things are just chaotic, there's stuff everywhere, and you just need to roll up your sleeves and like get to it and kind of start from scratch, get things back to a place of some semblance of order, marathon cleaning is the way to go. Marathon cleaning can also make sense if you work full-time. I have videos that I've done on the Clean Mama cleaning routine, the Organized Moms method. There's a bunch of different ones, and I'll link some of those below. But oftentimes some of those methods that talk about doing just a little bit each day, more like a sprint method of cleaning. And sometimes people who work full-time will comment or say, like, it's just easier for me to do 3 or 4 hours of cleaning on a Saturday rather than getting home from work. I'm exhausted. I'm trying to get dinner on the table. And so it's a lot easier for me to just do a chunk of cleaning. So if you're in a situation where you are working full time during the week and you have a chunk of time on the weekend, for example, then marathon cleaning may definitely make sense for you. Also, and this refers more to personality, but if you work better in large chunks of time rather than in small bits, sometimes it's easier. You just kind of get in the zone, you get focused, you got your house cleaning clothes on, and you're just getting after it. Marathon cleaning makes a lot of sense if you're somebody that struggles with interruptions and feels like you really get a lot more done when you were able to just kind of batch do house cleaning. Lastly, I feel like marathon cleaning works really well for people who would rather do it once and forget it. Meaning, like I mentioned, you do a chunk of time on a Saturday or a chunk of time on a day during the week. You do it once and then you forget it the rest of the week. You're not constantly each day having to do a mop here or a vacuum there or a dusting there. You're just doing it one time, once a week, and then you don't have to think about it till the next week. Now, obviously, it goes without saying things like keeping the laundry going or washing the dishes or whatever. That's just stuff we all have to do on a daily basis. You can't escape that. But for the other kind of house cleaning tasks, cleaning the bathroom or things like that, you enjoy just being able to do it once and then forget it, move on, and then you're not thinking about it again until the next time that you're doing a marathon clean.
Mission accomplished.
Okay, sprint cleaning. Who does sprint cleaning work well for? I found that sprint cleaning has worked well for me in different seasons. So number one, I would say if you get easily overwhelmed, sprint cleaning can be awesome because you are telling yourself, and this is always when I'm in an overwhelmed place in my life, sprint cleaning has been great because I will say things like, all you're going to do is go in and clean the toilet and wipe down the sink and vanity. That's it. Just do that. Don't think about cleaning the whole bathroom from top to bottom. And then usually that's enough to nudge me and get me started to do a little bit more and maybe even clean the whole bathroom. Maybe. But the whole idea that if you get easily overwhelmed or you're just in a season of life where you are overwhelmed, telling yourself, look, I'm just going to do these 2 things or these 3 things, or I'm just going to set a timer for 5 minutes or for 10 minutes. And when that timer goes off, I'm done. That is really helpful. Sprint cleaning can be really helpful in that way. Second, if you have any physical or mental roadblocks that make it challenging to clean in large chunks of time, if you're dealing with any physical limitations that make it a challenge, I had mentioned in a video a while back, I will link this one below. It was about cleaning when you're in pain. So if you have chronic pain, or like me, I've had some pretty severe pain with this pregnancy. Fortunately, it's not chronic. It will go away after the baby's born, but that really adjusted my perspective in terms of what I have been able to do on the cleaning front. And so if you have physical challenges, or if you're dealing with mental, anything like that, that just makes the idea of getting out all your tools and cleaning the whole house from top to bottom that just feel completely out of reach, then sprint cleaning is really a great way to go about it, where you're just handling a little bit at a time and it's not too much. Another good reason for sprint cleaning is if you're a person that has a schedule that has constant interruptions. Now, you may be thinking, who of our schedules doesn't have constant interruptions? We all have constant interruptions. And it's true, but I'm thinking specifically seasons of life. Like, again, if you have little kids and you are home with them, little kids can be very demanding on your time. Having sprint cleaning sessions is super helpful. If you have kids, you know that you're going to have a short nap time, or you're going to have 45 minutes after they go to bed, or a half an hour before they get up in the morning. Those sorts of things can be really helpful. And that way you are not constantly frustrated, feeling like the kids are constantly interrupting you when you are trying to clean the house.
I will not have my schedule interrupted.
Sprint cleaning is really helpful because you can get a few things done in a short amount of time. And then if the kids are interrupting, you're thinking, yes, I can help you with whatever you need help with. I was just finishing this one thing. It's going to take me one more minute, and then, and then I'm able to do it. So sprint cleaning can be really helpful, I have found, in this season of life with small, needy kiddos. The last reason that sprint cleaning might be a good option for you in terms of keeping up your home is you prefer keeping up rather than catching up. And this is a quote from Gretchen Rubin. I love her, but she has a quote that says, "It is easier to keep up than to catch up." That may or may not be true. I think in some instances it is true. Like with sprint cleaning, you are a person that does not like to see things pile up.
All I know is this is driving me crazy.
You like to keep on top of things. If stuff is out of place, you want to put it away right away. You would rather take 5 to 10 minutes at the end of every day and reset the rooms in your house, make sure that there's no clutter lying out, whatever, and then go to bed. If you're more on the marathon side of things, you might be a person that prefers to catch up rather than keep up. And that might sound negative in the way that's phrased, but all I mean is just you would prefer to do a major tidy once a week rather than every night you're running around trying to put away these random things from the day, and all of that. So again, this comes down to personality. Don't let anybody tell you that there is the right way to do it or the wrong way to do it. The right way is the way that you are going to stick with. So I hope this has been helpful for you if you were thinking through the right way to clean your house. Again, I would emphasize there is no right way except for the way that works for you. So I would love to hear in the comments if you are a marathon cleaner or a sprint cleaner, or if you have changed over time and different seasons where you have found different approaches to cleaning your house to be more helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.